They had a court appearance today with the court, and she wanted to let me know what's happened today. It didn't go as well for you as they hoped with Mr. Frank, the lawyer. He wasn't able to get some things accomplished as we hoped for you. And let's see here. Since you've been taken away and in the hospital and the nursing home, how many visitors have you had from outside?
I wasn't allowed any.
None at all? Do you know if any adult protective services people came?
I think one did.
Is that here or in the hospital?
Every room it's at it.
In the
Hospital, just once? Okay. And I know you haven't had any visits from Dean or Betty. They've been restricted, and I luckily have been able to come in a couple of times, thank goodness.
Thank heavens.
And if things continue as they are, then Dean and Betty won't be able to come see you till like January 7th. That's when the next court hearing is. What do you think of that?
I don't like that a bit, and I don't think it's fair. When you tell Mr. Jasper that.
Okay, right. Well, today at the court, Betty said they are appointing an intermediate guardian for you.
I won't allow that.
You won't? Okay.
No, I will not allow it, because there was one old guy, a geezer.
That's the one. That's the same person, I think.
Tell the geezer to go fly a kite.
Okay, I hope that we can do that, because if he is granted the guardian over you...
Well, he's about my age.
Yeah.
That's the silliest thing.
Yeah. He's going to be allowed to take over your checkbook.
Oh, no! I will not allow anything like that. They can't do anything without my permission.
And also your Vanguard account, that was another thing the court said.
Now that Vanguard account was set up for me by my brother. That has nothing to do with the court. No, I'm not going to cooperate with anything. That's so ridiculous and so mean.
Yes, and the other thing Betty said was they want the keys to your house.
No!
And then if this guardian goes through, he'll have all of your possessions. They'll have you here. They'll have your home and your possessions.
Why? I don't. No, I will not allow that.
And then they'll sell everything to provide for you here.
Well, what is the lawyer going to do about that?
That's what Betty said. If Mr. Jasper, yeah. If he isn't able to help like he hoped he could, Betty's thinking maybe they can get somebody else and go to a higher court to help you. Would you be willing to do that?
Yes, no matter what it costs.
Okay. So this lawsuit that Betty's helping you with, and she's been going back and forth to Cleveland to file papers and suit papers. What do you want to do about that?
Well, I know that she's entitled to some reimbursement.
But I mean, do you want to pursue this, keep going, have Betty helping you, or do you want to just comply with the court and have them take your house and everything?
I'd much rather have Betty helping.
And where would you ultimately like to be in your life? Do you want to stay here for the rest of your days?
No, thanks.
Or go home? Or what would you like? I shouldn't have said that. Where would you like to go?
I would like to go home as far as I'm able to be entitled to my own home.
Yes.
Oh, I'm mad.
Good. Get mad.
That is lousy.
Isn't it?
And that old geezer, I almost said geezer,
I know.
and I think I will this
Well, it
time.
just shows what a polite person you are and what presence of mind you have to hold your temper in front of him and be polite, right?
Yeah. I don't know for how long though.
Yeah, but Betty and Dean sent word that they miss you very much and wish they could come see you too.
Well, I certainly wish that that could be arranged.
Yes. And now another point of issue here that Dr. Byers has recommended that a second doctor perform a geriatric exam on you again, that he would recommend, so you can get another opinion instead of just the state's opinion. Do you wish to proceed with your dealings to have that done to prove that you're competent to regain
Oh,
your
that slays
property?
me.
Yeah.
I don't think I should be compelled to pay for something like that.
Well, I'm not sure who's going to pay for it, but whatever happens, you want to proceed so that you can prove your rights to reclaim yourself and your property.
Well, of course. Oh, that makes me so mad.
Yeah.
You're not even allowed to breathe without being charged for it.
Yeah.